Hello YouTube gardeners! This week at Southern California Gardening, we are planting more burpee bib lettuce heads. This is a favorite of ours to grow in the cooler season temperatures. Look at the size of these heads. Very, very beautiful, very tasty. They have kind of a creamy flavor. And look at the size of these leaves. How perfect for a lettuce wrap. Here is the seed packet information. Burpee bib, it's organic. You can see here it takes about 75 days to mature. They're ready to harvest. I've already been tasting some leaves. They're absolutely delicious. Give them a try. And I have a few other lettuce varieties that I'd like to share with you. Look at this winter kale. Wow, beautiful colors. We also like to grow red snails and new red fire. These lettuce varieties are rich in anthocyanins. Look at how red and beautiful this head of lettuce is. You're probably going to hear me mention anthocyanins quite often because we're really focused on growing foods rich in these plant compounds. They have incredible health benefits, and at our age we can use all the help we can get. So anthocyanins is a group of plant compounds that are responsible for the red, purple, and bluish color in fruits and vegetables. You can see here it's an heirloom lettuce called Freckles. You can see here that it's just splattered with beautiful red pigment all throughout the leaves. And these plant compounds provide the plant with protective benefits, which have been studied and have shown to be beneficial to humans as well. 3 of the main health benefits that anthocyanins provide is reduced inflammation for better heart health and brain health, boosts the immune system, which helps in cancer prevention, blood sugar control, and reduced effects of aging. Here is the information on the red snails. And here is the seed packet information on the new red fire. With all of these amazing health benefits, we're going to be growing as much red and blue and purple food as possible. We're getting ready to add more blueberry bushes, more blackberries, and even some black raspberries. So if you're interested in growing foods rich in anthocyanins, hit the subscribe button. We have lots of great varieties that we're going to be growing, and we're going to be sharing all of the information with you. And if you're interested in learning more information about anthocyanins, there's a great YouTube video called 5 Reasons Anthocyanins Are Your Secret Weapon to Health After 40, and it's by Real Dose Nutrition. Look at these beautiful mustard greens. Lots of those amazing plant compounds all throughout these leaves. Alright, that's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend and enjoy your garden.